you've got an antenna. When you've got 5 bars, you're golden, right? That's the best you can get because your phone doesn't have to work as hard as it does when there are only 2 bars. And you know this because you can tell with the signal. So then you put, and this is what makes it so confusing, these cases have been shown to block up to 99% of EMF radiation. And you know what they're talking about? They're talking about the material. The material made that the case is made of absolutely can do that. However, there has to be an opening in that case for you to be able to use it. For you to be able to use that phone, there needs to be an opening to get some signal. But the signal is taken down so far by the case that the phone is working so hard that with that opening, just that little opening on the side, your hands or whatever's near that case, say you put it up to your ear, which no one should ever do, all the area around that phone is exposing you to, sometimes I've seen 4 times higher